Welcome friends, welcome to our channel Vastudeep Astro Vastu Research Center. Today we are going to see a new topic. Practice yoga and pranayam every day. Keep planetary effects at bay. Astrology, yoga and Ayurveda originated in Vedic times. Yoga and Ayurveda help us to keep ourselves physically and mentally fit. Astrology is a medium where we can know the problems which may occur in our future. Using the astrology knowledge, we can overcome the problems and live happily. It is a statement that precaution is better than cure, and astrology works with this principle. In astrology, all things are dependent on planetary positions. Using astrological knowledge, we can predict the problematic situations. Different remedies for neutralizing bad effects of planets have been described in various Vedic and Sanskrit literature. There is a unique way of controlling bad effects of planet, that is yoga and pranayam. Yoga darshan is a branch of Indian philosophy. There are 6 types of Astik darshan shastras: Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Mimamsa and Vedanta. Yoga is one of the most important Astik darshanas. Yoga was very popular in Vedic culture. Yoga and pranayam had been proliferated in the society in Vedic time. There are various Vedic literature which have been described yoga and pranayam. For example, Samhita, Upanishada, Aranyake and Puranas, all these literature describe yoga and pranayam. Yoga darshan in some literature was referred as Seshwar Sankhya because yoga darshan has contributed the concept of Ishwar, that is God. This is known as Sankhya philosophy. Yoga darshan not only supported by philosophy but also have practical approach in it. Yoga have been emphasized on doing efforts and describe various ways to do it. Yoga was first introduced by Hiranyagarbha, that is cosmic egg. Yoga darshan was mentioned in Kathopanishad in Sanskrit. Friends, now we are going to see how yoga and pranayam help us to eliminate and control the bad effects of planets. First, the first planet, that is Sun, the king of all planets, also known as Surya. If a sun is depleted in the person's horoscope, the person will face various problems like low in confidence, eye problem, muscle weakness, heart problems. For controlling and eliminating these problems, one should practice regularly Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Bhastrika Pranayam, Agnisa Kriya and do Surya Namaskar regularly. For meditation, you can chant the Surya Mantra Om Grini Suryaya Namaha. The next planet is Moon, that is also known as Chandra. As in Sanskrit said that Chandrama Manso Jata means moon is signifies and symbolic for the mental status of the human being. If a moon is depleted or weakened in the horoscope of a person, this will lead to various problems like emotional weakness, mental stress and mental strain. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should practice regularly Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Bhastika Pranayam. Along with this, chanting of Om is also very beneficial and giving a great relief to mental depletion, mental strain and stress. For meditation, you can chant the mantra of moon, that is Chandra mantra, Om Som Somaya Namaha. The next planet is Mars, that is Mangal. If the Mars is depleted and in a weakened position in a person's horoscope, the person will face various types of problems like too expressive, sexually weakness, sexually overactive in nature, over expressive in nature, or lazy. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should practice regularly Padmasana, Baddha Konasana, Mayurasana, and Shitalikaran Pranayam. For meditation, you can chant the mantra for Mars, that is Mangal mantra, Om Ang Angarakaya Namaha. The next planet is the Mercury planet, that is also known as Buddha. If Mercury is depleted and in a weakened position in the person's horoscope, the person will face various problems like inability to make decisions, confused mindset, and skin diseases. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should practice regularly Bhastrika Pranayam, Bhramari Pranayam, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Chanting of Om is also very beneficial for enhancing the capacity or ability of the decision making. Eating fresh green veggies or vegetables help the person to strengthen the Mercury planet. For meditation, you can chant the Buddha mantra, that is Om Boom Buddhaya Namaha. The fifth planet or next planet is Jupiter. In Sanskrit is known as Brihaspati. If Jupiter is depleted and weakened in the person's horoscope, the person will face various types of medical problems like liver diseases, obesity, diabetes, or even leads to cancer. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should practice regularly Kapalabhati Pranayam, Sarvangasana, Agnisar Kriya, and doing Surya Namaskar regularly is also very beneficial. Using yellow things also strengthen the Jupiter planet. For meditation, you can chant the Guru mantra, that is mantra for Jupiter, Om Braham Brahaspate Namaha. The next planet, that is sixth planet, is Shukra, that is Venus. If Venus is depleted and in a weakened position in the person's horoscope, the person will face various problems like diseases related to genital organs, irregular menstrual cycles in females, sexual problems, infertility. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should regularly practice Dhanurasan, Halasan, Janu Sirasan, Mulabandha Kriya, and at night the person should avoid eating yogurt or cold things. This is very beneficial for strengthening the Venus. For meditation, you can chant the mantra of Venus, that is Shukra mantra, Om Shum Shukraya Namaha. The next planet is the seventh planet, that is Saturn, also known as Shani. If Saturn is depleted and weakened in the person's horoscope, the person will face various problems like gastric acidity, joint pains, arthritis, high blood pressure, heart problems, restlessness, anxiety, insomnia, and laziness. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should practice regularly Kapalabhati Pranayam, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Agnisar Kriya, Pavana Muktasan, Shitalikaran Pranayam, and Bhramari Pranayam. Along with this, yoga and pranayam, one should avoid eating oily and fried items. It is very beneficial for strengthening the Saturn. For meditation, you can chant Saturn mantra, that is Shani mantra. Om Shanai Shanicharaya Namaha. The next planet, that is Rahu. Rahu is mostly described as a cause of bad effects. People always frightened by hearing the name of Rahu. If Rahu is placed in the first house, second house, fifth house, and eighth house in the horoscope, it will give a very negative effects. Rahu will act on the brain, that is thinking and understanding ability of the person. Due to that, the person lost the ability of decision making, and Rahu creates illusion in the thoughts, illusion in the speech, and the person become arrogant and bitter in nature. It gives the person unnecessary anger and irrelevant logic. For controlling and eliminating this problem, one should regularly practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Brahmari Pranayam, Udgit Pranayam, and Bhastrika Pranayam. Chanting of letter Om is also very beneficial for controlling the bad effects of Rahu. For meditation, you can chant the mantra for Rahu, that is Rahu mantra. Om Ram Rahave Namaha. Next planet, ninth planet, Ketu. If Ketu is in depleted and violated position in the horoscope of a person, that person will face various problems like anemia, hemorrhoids, indigestion, skin diseases, muscle problems, toxicated blood. It also contributes to the mental imbalance and mental stress and strain. For controlling and eliminating these various problems, one should regularly practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Kapalbhati Pranayam, Sirasan. This will give very beneficial result to the person. For meditation, you can chant Ketu mantra, Om Kem Ketave Namaha. Friends, if you like this video, please like it, forward to your friends. On this 21st June 2021, International Yoga Day is there. On the behalf of Vastudev YouTube channel, we are wishing you all the very best for the Yoga Day. Practice yoga and pranayam every day, and this will beneficial for your health as well as strengthening your planets in your horoscope. So they're both beneficial. So bye bye friends. Thank you very much for listening my video. Bye bye.